Recover Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can recover Telegram account without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to recover your Telegram account but without using a phone number, because maybe you don't have access to a phone number. Now right when you open up Telegram, the very first thing it asks me is my phone number, and there is no any other way to log in using my Gmail or any of the other form of verification that I've added. The only thing I need on Telegram to prove to log in is that my phone number is there. So if you don't have a phone number or access to your phone number, unfortunately you can't recover your Telegram account because you can't prove the ownership, because according to Telegram that number does not belong to you if you don't have access to it. So as long as you can't prove the ownership of that phone number, you can't gain access to someone else's Telegram account. Now keep in mind that if depending upon the country that you live in or the carrier network or the SIM card that you're using, your SIM card provider will definitely let you claim your phone number if you happen to lose your current SIM card or your phone. Just in case if the SIM card was in your name, in your legal name, then you can also go ahead and then claim it saying that you lost your phone number. They will give you the new SIM card with the same phone number and you can use that phone number to log into your Telegram account, because the bottom line is there is simply no way you can recover your Telegram account without a phone number, because your phone number is the basis of all the verification. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.